Hey there, Dashers. If you are looking to transfer your earnings from your Dasher direct account to your personal bank account, guys, I've got you covered in this easy, guys. So let's get started. So, first things first, open up the Dasher Direct app. Okay, start by launching the Dasher Direct app on your phone and log in into your account, right? And then what you want to do, guys, is you want to actually navigate to the Manage Card section. So, once you're logged in, tap on the menu icon, okay, or Manage Card section on the homepage of the app. So what you want to be doing, guys, is you want to link your bank account. So in the manage card area, you'll see the option to actually link a new bank account. So you want to tap on that option and enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Then you want to just initiate the transfer, okay? So after linking your bank account, you want to go back to the home screen of the app and you should see an option to actually transfer funds to your bank account. You want to tap on it and enter the amount that you'd actually like to transfer. Then after you do all this, guys, you want to just confirm the transfer. Review the details, guys, and confirm the transfer. So depending on your bank, the transfer may take a few business days, but you'll receive a notification once the transfer is actually complete, right? And that's it, guys. You have successfully transferred your earnings from Dasher Direct to your bank account. And guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and guys, check out our other delivery app tips. Happy dashing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.